Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster Gordon Ramsay. Begin by prepping ingredients and equipment so you can move confidently through each step. I'll guide you through cleaning, parboiling, splitting the shell, and finishing in brown butter with herbs. Follow my pacing and timing to avoid overcooking and to maximize flavor. Stay relaxed and enjoy the process as we build technique, seasoning, and plating that highlights the lobster's natural sweetness. First, parboil lobsters just enough to ease handling, then transfer to ice to stop cooking and cool for splitting. Carefully split the shells, extract meat, and reserve juices for the sauce. Brown butter with garlic and fresh herbs, then baste the lobster meat until glossy and tender. Plate with lemon, a sprinkle of chives, and a warm drawn butter sauce to enhance the sweet, briny flavor of the shellfish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful recipes together. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set timers, stream cooking playlists, and get hands-free help while you cook. It's tiny but mighty. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you already own one, tell us how you use it in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Warm brown butter gently until nutty, then add minced garlic, a squeeze of lemon, and a splash of reserved shell juices for depth. Simmer briefly to meld flavors and finish with chopped parsley and a pinch of sea salt. Spoon the sauce over the lobster meat and arrange on warmed plates to keep everything hot. Add a lemon wedge and microgreens or chives for contrast, so each bite is bright and balanced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.